Hello everyone, I got the new stator in, threw it on, pretty easy. It's just 2 bolts. You just gotta make sure the wire, there's one that goes to the magneto, I'm pretty sure that's called, and then one goes to the actual stator itself. So you just need to make sure they're both looped back there and not in the way of anything. So you can see the case is broken right there. I have a cover for it. I just need to get new bolts. But when you're tightening down the cover, you need to make sure you put a screwdriver in here. Don't pry in it hard, but you gotta make sure this center bolt is tight. Otherwise that bolt will back out, and then it'll cause this to move out, and it will not cause electric charge between them, so there will be no spark. But yeah, there's only 2 wires that run up the whole thing. I redid mine, put them up here because it was right on the head, and so that shit gets hot. But yeah, I ran it up here and it starts, works good. Next I need to get a sprocket. I'm just gonna get the rear one while I'm at it, and front one, and then a new chain too. As you can see, the chain's pretty loose, but other than that, that should be good. Then I'll throw the cover on after I get the sprocket on and chain. And I need to get air filter. We're gonna get grips, redo the levers, shifter lever, brake lever. Need to tighten the rear brake too, but